Hi, this is Dorothy of Dot Scrapbooking. I got a big load in yesterday and I haven't opened it yet, so I wanted to see. It's super heavy. So I wanted to see what kind of new stuff I got from close to my heart. So they didn't want to use the really big box, so they used their smaller box and an envelope. And so I got a number of gloss sprays. Not all of them are available yet. So here's Ocean gloss spray and turquoise and this gorgeous lime green that's going to look beautiful with that turquoise and with the fuchsia. And here's the fuchsia gloss spray. I've never used those before, so that's going to be a whole new thing for me. So now here are some of the liquid pearls. And I got ballerina and bisque. Look at those gorgeous colors. And robin's egg. So those are going to be fun to use. And I've never used these before, the distressed oxides. So I got mustard seed, seedless, seedless preserves, and black soot. So that's going to be interesting. Because like I said, I haven't used those before. Now, this box is so full, it's busting out of its boundaries here. So like I said, it was super heavy. So we just take this off and see what's packed inside here. And I've been waiting for these things. Okay, so this is a full thin cut for cards. So you could use it for scrapbooking too, but that's mostly for cards. A little bow die cut, making little stitched bows. That's what it looks like. And this cute flower that has the little petals and the stamen and all those parts. And I just can't wait to use these leaves. Just beautiful leaves with a huge thin cut to go with. It usually fits inside the envelope, but so these are big leaves. And here are the stamps. Now that is going to be so fun with the distressed oxides to make some fall leaves. I have trouble turning down poinsettias, so here's a poinsettia thin cut for Christmas and for making Christmas cards. That's going to be fun. It doesn't want to come out. So you can kind of see what size the poinsettias are going to be. Those are going to be pretty. Real pretty. And another bow die cut for making gigantic bows. Wow. That's a big bow. And I also got a embossing folder that is going to be really pretty for making card backgrounds or picture backgrounds. These are the new colors. So we've got cinnamon and grape and avocado. That's cinnamon. And then Sundance, flamingo. What color is that? Ooh, it got away. There's the new color, bluebell. So I'll tell you, scarlet, flamingo, Sundance, cinnamon, avocado, grape, and then desert rose. So those are all those colors. And some new folders and some new die cuts, some new inks and glues and sprays. I can't wait to start using them. Woohoo! Bye.